So Lucas, we're on your booth here at AMB. We're going to be talking about the EWE initially. Can you tell us what it is, please?
So basically it's a further development of the tools we already have without electronics. So the size is not new, it's just that it's now, not yet available, but soon with electronics as the other EWE line we already have. And the background was, you can probably see it here, we have a very small known use, and this tool or this kind of tool are mainly used in watchmaker industry, and it's sometimes pretty hard to read the known use correctly, to adjust correctly. So the next logical step for us was to introduce the electronics.
So now we can see it on the iPad or the smartwatch?
Yeah, correct. So what we did is we improved our already existing app. So this is a developer version, so not available yet on the App Store. This is the basic screen, and it's typical the normal Kaiser process. So we machine a bore, we measure the diameter, and what we do here is, we introduce the target. So let's say 5 millimeter. Then the next number we introduce the diameter we actually measured, and then we introduce or choose the tolerance we want to machine the bore, and that's pretty much it. So the next step is we go over to the tool and start adjusting, and what we see here is basically the actual diameter of the tool. This is the delta, what we already adjusted, and here the app already calculates the target diameter with the middle of the tolerance. Once we come close to the target diameter, the color change of the number as well. We have this dial down here, and so we see once it's switched to green.
Green is good.
Green is always good.
And if we take a look here, this is brand new, the EWA. This one actually integrates with the machine tool.
Yes. So the idea behind this is that we want to exclude the machine operator of the adjustment process. That means this tool is able to adjust itself. So we have an app that communicates with the tool, and with the app we're able to tell the tool, well, adjust, for example, 0.1 millimeters, press send, and it will adjust.
Thank you.
Like